So this is all the first coat DIYs. You slap it on, roll your roller anyway, just keep it different all the time. Laughing. It's a good drying day, like that's drying already, so it's good. I've got the window open, the breeze is coming in. I like it a lot. Tomorrow I'll lay the floor, then what's tomorrow? Thursday. I should lay a wall as well, and then I've got a little bit to do, so yeah. I won't be out Monday to start my next on Tuesday. They'll have to wait. I'm a day out, but so be it. That's the way things go. If you're a day late, one day more, one day less, that doesn't make me rich or poor. Hello. What's the dog barking at? Well, it's drying faster than I thought. Ooh. It's cool. Slap it around there. Sometimes it just wants to peel back. Keep that nice and open. Nice. Okay. We'll see you soon. I'll run up there and then I'll go around. Okay. Oh, ciao.